unboxing video. So what we're going to be unboxing today is Ozito multifunction sharpener. Now this thing is meant to sharpen knives, scissors, and a bunch of other things. So it's 65 watts. It says it sharpens drill bits and tools, diamond sharpening wheel, adjustable sharpening angle, and 3 separate sharpening modules. So this is how it looks like. Cool. So what we're going to use the knife for is just to break the seal of this. Didn't really actually do a very good job. Or do you reckon I did a good job? Good job or not good job?
Good job.
Good job, okay. So what do you think is inside here? This one.
Yeah.
Alright, so opening the box, what do we have? We've got a manual, which no one actually reads, and we'll pick out the loose bits first. So we get that, which is for scissors and such. We're going to keep that on here. Do we have any other loose bits? Yes, we do.
Yes, we do.
Yep. And this thing is for drill bits. And I think from the videos that I've seen, what happens is you're meant to adjust the drill bit in that before you put it into the machine. So it sharpens it basically quite evenly. So we'll leave that there. I'm not going to use that quite likely any time soon, but I have purchased this to sharpen our knives. Okay. So next thing is the machine itself. Okay. So this is the machine, and really it's just quite a small machine. So if you have a look at how big my hand is, it's probably just about the size of my palm. I've seen some reviews and it looks like it actually does a reasonable job. I mean, I think I paid like $35. For $35 you can't expect too much, but we'll see how we go.
We're doing that, Mama.
Are we doing that?
Yeah, Mama. Oh,
You want to show Mama?
Yes.
Show her the box.
Yes.
Say, Mama, this is what we're doing.
There. And cut it, Mama.
And cut it?
Yeah.
Ah. Well, let's ask Papa to show us an example.
Oh.
One, so it said you need to put the second. You're going to press this button. Pressing the button down.
So that's pretty much the unboxing of the Ozito sharpener. We're going to try and check out in the next video how it actually sharpens.